Hi, kindergarten friends. Miss Scarborough here. Today we're doing lowercase letter G on page 25. Okay, so lowercase G. Make sure you're sitting bottom to bottom, back to back. Your feet are flat on the floor. You're supporting your book, and you have a correct pencil grip. Okay, you want to keep this hand rested on the table so that you can support your strokes. This one is going to start at the green dot, was actually in the middle between the dotted line and the red line. We're going to make a circle. Circle left. Okay, we're going to lift. And we're going to go up to the top and pull down straight and curve left. So there's actually two strokes in this letter. We're going to make a full circle going counterclockwise. We're going to lift our pencil. We're going to go up to the top and curve left. Okay, so let's give it a try. Circle left, lift, pull down straight, curve left. Now, this is the first letter that we have done that has gone underground. Okay, we have our sky, we have our ground, and we have underground in the dirt. Okay, so it's a first one. It also, sometimes we call it a tail. So it's going to stay under that dotted line. It's a short letter, but then it's going to go underground into the dirt for its tail. You're going to finish doing the top, and then when you get down to this row, they've given you the dot so that you can try it on your own. All right, make sure that you are circling left and not right. If you circle right, it's going to throw you off a little bit. We want to make sure we're going left. We're going to go up to the dotted line, down to the red line, and back to the green dot. So you're basically making a lowercase o. Then you're going to go to the dotted line. You're going to pull straight down to almost the blue line and curve and give them a tail. Let's try another one. Circle left, lift, go to the dotted line. Make sure they are connected, pull all the way down straight, and then curve left. Okay, circle left, lift, go to the dotted line, pull down straight, curve left. Sometimes we might circle left and connect, and then we go to make our line, but we forget to connect it. You have to stay really close to that circle because now I look like I have two different shapes here, an O and maybe a J, and they're not connected. It does not look like a G. So make sure they're connected. And then also the other tip is to make sure that your tail is going the right way because now, what letter did I make? Q, you're right. And that is not the letter G. So we want to make sure that when we write, we're going to the left, pull down straight, to the left. Everything's to the left. Down here, you're going to finish practicing that on your own and trace the ones that they've given you. Circle the grasshoppers that are alike. Put an X on the one that is different. So circle the one that is alike, cross out the one that is different. Write the lowercase g to complete each word. You do not have a dot down here, so this one you have to do all by yourself. You're going to start in the middle, okay, halfway between the dotted line and the thick red line. You're going to make a circle, circle left, close the circle, go up to the dotted line, pull down straight, go underground, curve left. Trace the O. You've now written the word go. You're also going to add a lowercase g here for get and a lowercase g here for gift. Are your letters the correct size? Yes or no? Go up and circle your best G. This one looks pretty fancy. Cross out your worst. I'm going to cross out the Q because it's not even close to looking like a G. At least this one is kind of close. Okay, this is lowercase g on page 25. Complete it and then post a picture to your seesaw. Good luck, friends!